Hello everybody, and I'm just giving you a very short episode. I'm just showing you how to download maps. So if you go onto the Google Play Store, like I am doing, and then if you type in when it loads, and I've lost Wi-Fi, and then if you type in maps for Minecraft, Tom Bailey. Sorry for spelling your name wrong, Tom Bailey. You're not even watching this. I bet you're not. But yep, I've already downloaded it. So this is how I get my maps. Like I downloaded Stampy's Lovely World off there, and there you go. It should look like a map. So if you click on that, it should open up something like this. And then you could search a map. I don't know. Let's go search a map. What should we search? Stampy Lovely World. I probably didn't spell that right. Come on, ain't got all day. Yeah, but then whatever your map should load up there, and then let's just get a normal map. My Wi-Fi is so slow at the moment, and my Wi-Fi is gone. Sorry, my Wi-Fi is gone, but when you download it, click on the map, and then it should take you to an install button. And then if you go on Minecraft Pocket Edition, or Block Launcher, or whatever you're using, and then when it loads by any chance, la 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 la, there we go. Then if you hit play and go right to the bottom, and then your map should be right at the bottom. I've actually got a map to show you. I have the TARDIS. I did a video on this, I believe. And I also did show you my skin design. So yeah, there's the map. I do it again. Yeah, I haven't actually been as well since the actual video. Even though the explosions, I ended the video, uploaded it, and I just did just went and got lunch, and then downloaded some more videos, edited some of them. I think we did the Ultimate Return Wolves, did we? I don't know. Well, Wolves isn't actually with me today. She's actually gone somewhere. I don't know where she's gone. She's in the house somewhere, doing something most probably. Right, so let's end this with an explosion. Boom. Explosions! This TARDIS is dead. This is beasted right now. This TARDIS. This is just explosion land. No, I'm not. This land is my land. And my land equals my land. Oh, there we go. Explosions. How nice am I? There we go. And there's also another thing I wanted to show you. And if you go into the Minecraft Pocket Edition or Block Launcher, I think you can get a Block Launcher, click the settings button, and then go down to that face one here. If you go down here, there's the Halloween skins, Halloween costumes, and then you actually have the costumes here. You have a zombie costume, iron golem costume, a creeper costume, a cow costume, an Enderman costume, a gas costume, a mushroom costume, an ocelot costume, pig costume, sheep costume. No, that's a rainbow sheep costume. Skeleton costume, snowman, snow golem costume, spider costume, and zombie pig. And then you also have these boring ones here. They're called heroes. At another point, you can get the YouTubers one, where you can get all the YouTubers and whatevers. But I haven't actually got that yet. And I'll give you a little glimpse of how to Minecraft as well. I'm going to be. This will be pretty cool. And I'm also going to give you some tips if you're waiting for how to Minecraft. So what you do first, like the world, like a cave house. Ow. Yeah. So if you go find a cave house. Night, if you've got a bed, stand down, or you can either risk it and build a house. And yes, that's if you like. I hate it. Horrible. And you also need to go get some meat. So I shouldn't be doing this. This is supposed to be like for video. Right, not gonna do it. For that, can't be cheating. This is for videos. Oh yeah, my battery's critically low, so I'm gonna have to end the video here. Remember to check out what's it called? Just check out the videos, okay? Check out all the videos and leave like, subscribe, whatever. And yeah, see you in the next video. My name is 35 and I